Thanks for watching. Today we're going to change the way you think about custom angled hinging. Sure, you're used to using these custom plates, shims for 30, 45, whatever degree hinges in combination with this hinge. Don't need those. We're going to do it with this guy right here. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see here, I have a room that we've drawn up. This room is an office that we've got inside the shop. Didn't need to have custom angles here. I just wanted a reason why we were doing custom angled hinges so that we could film it and we could show you guys these 3D printed adapters. Okay, so as you can see, I got 1/8 of an inch gap here, 3/16 of an inch gap here, and my gables are just about 1/4 inch deeper than the other gables, left and right of this cabinet. This will work with any cabinet software, or whether you're cutting them on the table saw, whatever. It doesn't matter. The adapters will work as long as you have laid it out correctly. You're going to need to go about 1/4 of an inch deeper with these gables. Once you have your layout set up, you just need to figure out those exact angles. For Mozaik software, you're going to go to the shape editor, edit top shape, and then you need to verify these angles right here, whatever side you're hinging from. So we got 126.6 on that side, 143.4 on the other side. We're going to provide these models, on our website. So when you get the models, there are going to be a list of all the different angles, and you can 3D print them right in your shop. What you want to do is take this number here, 143.4 minus 90 degrees. So this is the angled adapter that you're looking for, 53. And I didn't go decimal points, I just did round it to the nearest degree. What you're going to want to do is reduce this number so the angle is smaller. That way you don't have to worry about the doors sort of staying pinned open by a fraction of a degree. So I would pick the 53 degree hinge adapter. So if you got your angled plates here, they'll all show up like this, all STL files. I've only tested from 30, like 28 degrees up to this 53 degree one. So bear in mind, some of these haven't been tested, but you know, they should, for the most part, work. They definitely work from 30 degrees all the way to 53. Haven't tested these ones. I really had no reason to. So if you want to try it out, test them out, they'll be available in our web store. So you're going to click that file, you're going to select it. Upon request, we could provide a service where we print these in-house here and then ship them out to you guys. I don't know if that's negating the awesome way that you can just come up with custom angles and print them on the fly. So I would highly recommend get your own 3D printer and get it printing these things, because they actually work really, really well. So you get a adapter plate. These are screw holes here, and then you have your hinge plate holes there. And then on the bottom you have a, let's see if I can show you. You have these slots. We'll show that when we're installing it. So let's print it. So here we have our components. We have the 3D printed adapter to adapt a 110 degree hinge. This guy here has pre-drill holes for your screws. Then you have your plates. This will depend on your boring offset for your doors. You might need a 3mm plate or a 0mm plate. Same as your regular doors. For us, it's the 3mm plate, so we won't be needing the 0. So you just push it into our 3D printed part there. Pretty nice, snug, but tight fit. Push that in there. It's a little bit easier to do this before you put it into the cabinet. We usually use 110 degree standard Blue Motion Blum hinges. In this case, we're going to do a little bit of an experiment. But traditionally we'd use the 110 degree and we just drop it right in as if it was a normal door. In our case, we're going to try a 160 degree zero clearance extra wide opening door hinge. Just wanted to give it a test. I believe it should work fine because it's the same style and the same pattern and everything as a regular hinge. Here on the cabinet, we're going to take 5mm either shelf pin. We have the steel 5mm shelf pin double-ended, or alternatively you could also use the 5mm dowel. These ones are a little bit long, so I have to snip them to fit. So, but it works either way. Push it into your standard hinge plate holes. Just drops right in there, and all these are doing is just providing you alignment. You don't necessarily need them. You could easily just do it measuring. Then you have those slots in the back of the 3D printed part. That just sort of works as a sliding reference, so your up-down location is locked. Then you just slide it back and forth till it's nice and flush at the front. I did make a mistake about halfway through. I ended up hinging it on this side instead of on this side. I was supposed to hinge it on this side. Round 2. Okay, take 2. So that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you want to download these models, hit the link in the video description and subscribe if you have not already. That really helps out our channel so we can make more videos like this. If you're eager to dive deeper into Mozaik, enhance your shop, or explore the possibilities with CNC routers and 3D printing, you're in the right place. Your feedback drives our content, so subscribe to stay updated with the latest tutorials and tips. Watch out for our next video.